أعزائي طلبة الصف الثاني الثانوي لغات وتجريبي، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في درس جديد من دروس الألجبرا. درسنا النهاردة بنحل فيه أسئلة multiple choice على درس السيكونس. First question: the sequence is a function whose domain is r positive, z positive. The domain of the function, the domain of the sequence is 1, 2, 3. So it's equal z positive. To determine the terms of the sequence, we write T1 and T2 and T3. Okay, this is the sequence and so on. When you look to these numbers, it is a set of integers, positive integers. So we choose letter D, Z positive. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. By substituting n equals 1 and 2 and 3, you will get all the terms of the sequence. Question number 2. The next term in the sequence 1, 2, 4, 7, 11 is, here is the required, T6. So we have T1 equals 1, we have T2 equals 2, and 2 equals 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and T3 equals 4. How we get 4? It is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Again, T4 equals 7. How we get 7? It is the 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. I write it here. Okay? And T5, look to the previous term. It is 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So, what is the value of T6? It is the sum of 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11 equals 16. And the answer will be letter B here. Next question. The sequence is decreasing if Tn plus 1 is less than Tn. For every n is greater than or equal 1. So we'll choose letter B. Again, the sequence is decreasing if, it's the rule, Tn plus 1 is less than Tn. It's letter B. Note that this sequence 5, 3, 1, and so on. It is decreasing because here is, if you consider 5 is Tn, so the next term is Tn plus 1. Notice that Tn plus 1 is less than Tn. Tn plus 1 is less than Tn. Here we have 5, here we have 3, and 3 is less than 5. So we write Tn plus 1 is less than Tn. And here is the solution. Next question. The sixth term of the sequence Tn, where Tn equals negative 1 power n over T over 2 multiply n, is, here the required is to find the sixth term. So the required is to find the T6. So substituting n equals 6. So we will have negative 1 power 6 over 2 multiply n, 2 multiply 6. So negative 1 power 6, it is 1. 2 multiply 6, it's 12. So the result will be in letter C. So we'll choose C. Next question. The fourth term of the sequence Tn, where Tn equals square root of n over n plus 1 is 4, 1 over 4, 4 over 5, 2 over 5. So solution. The required here is to find the T4. So substituting n equals 4 here. So we have root 4 over 4 plus 1. Root 4, it means positive root 4, which equal positive 2 over 5, which equal 2 over 5. And the solution will be in letter D. Next question, number 6. The sequence Tn, where Tn equals 3n squared minus 1, if Tm equals 74. So what is the value of m? Here, if Tn equals 3n squared minus 1, so Tm equals 3m squared minus 1. So we write it, Tm equals 3m squared minus 1. It is equal 74 from the given here. So 3m squared equals 74 plus 1, which equals 75. Dividing both sides by 3. So we will get m squared equals 25. Here m, some will say m equals positive or negative 5. But the domain of the sequence is z positive. It is not negative. So the negative solution is refused. So m equals positive 5, and we'll choose letter B. Next question, question number 7. The nth term of the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16 is, the required here is to find Tn. Tn, what is the value of Tn? It is the nth term. So we write T1 equals 1. Notice that 1 equals 1 power 2. 1 power 2. And T2 equals 4 equals 2 power 2. Okay? T3 equals 9, which equals 3 power 2. T4 equals 16. What is the value of 16? What is the relation between the value of the term, it's 16, and its order, equals 4 power 2. Here, the order is 3, it is 3 power 2. The order is 2, it's 2 power 2. The order is 1, it is equal 1 power 2. 1 power 2 equals 1. So, Tn equals n power 2, which so the solution will be in letter D. Next question, question number 8. The nth term of the sequence negative 1, 4, negative 9, 16, and so on is. So the required here is to find Tn. What is the value of Tn? Solution, we have Tn equals negative 1, it's T1, and T2 equals 4, T3 equals negative 9, and so on. So we rewrite the terms of this sequence. T1 equals negative 1, and the negative 1 equals negative 1, multiply 1, which equal negative 1 power 1, multiply 1 power 1. Here I'll try to get the relation between the order and the term, the value of the term itself. So T2 equals 4. What is the value of 4? It is 1 multiply 4. And 1 equals negative 1 power 2. What is the value of 2? It is 2 power 2. 2 power 2. Here T3 equals negative 1 multiply 9, right? And the negative 1 equals the negative 1 power 3. 3, it is the order of the term. Multiply 3 power 2. 3 power 2. 3 also, it is the order of the term. Power 2. Here is the constant, always power 2. Power 2, power 2. Power 3. Okay, power 2, power 1. Here is the relation between the order of the term and the term itself. T4 equals 16. What is the value of 16? It is 1 multiply 16. What is the value of 1? It is negative 1 power 4. Notice that 4 is the order of the term here. Multiply 4 power 2, n power 2. So when we say Tn equals negative 1 power n, multiply n power 2. So the solution will be in letter B. Here, negative 1 power n multiply n power 2. always to find the nth term, you have to find a relation between the order of the term and the value of the term, and also you can try every solution here. Okay, question number 9. In the sequence Tn, where Tn plus 1 equals n, multiply Tn and n is greater than or equal 1. Here, if you want to find T5, so write it in the form T4 plus 1. It will be 4 multiply T4, okay? Not the relation between n, n. The relation between the two sides here. If you wanted to find T6, you have to write it in the form T5 plus 1. So its value equal 5 multiply T5. Okay. The required here is to find the T2. So we write T2 in the form T1 plus 1. T1 plus 1. Here is n. Here is n. Here is n. N equals 1 in this case. And 1 multiply T1. T1 equals 1 here. It will be 1 multiply 1 equals 1. And the result will be in letter A. Next question. The sequence Tn is defined as T1 equals 3. And the T1 plus 1 equals Tn minus 1. Where n is greater than or equal 1. Then the third term is, the required here is to find the T3. Okay. The definition of the sequence Tn is Tn plus 1 equals the Tn minus 1. So the required here is to find T3. Before that, we will find the T2. And I'll write 2 in the form 1 plus 1 equals, according to the definition, T1 minus 1. What's the value of T1? T1 is 3. Minus 1, the result equal 2. So we get T2 equals 2. And T3 equals T2 plus 1. Again, T3 equals T2 plus 1 in this form, according to the definition. T2 plus 1 equals T2, according to that, T2 minus 1. What's the value of T2? It is 2 minus 1 equals 1. And the solution will be in letter B. This is the first part of this lesson, and we'll complete in next part, next video. Thank you and goodbye.